Hello and welcome to Spectacle. My name is Ben Portman and I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the Spectacle platform. Spectacle is a video recording and editing tool that has been built from the ground up to make it dead simple to create a number of different types of recordings, presentations, training materials, courses, any sort of screen share demonstration, or just a talking head with your webcam, using just your web browser and no expensive video equipment or software. Before we begin, it's important that I mention that you must use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge for Spectacle. Currently, it's recommended to use a desktop, laptop, or tablet screen size for the best experience with Spectacle. Let's jump into the platform and take a look. All right, once you get into your dashboard, you'll see that you have any of your recent videos that you've created here. You can click to continue, or if you're ready to start creating a new video, just click Create Recording. First thing you'll do is verify your name shows correctly and also give your presentation a title. After that, you'll grant permissions for your webcam and microphone, and you'll also get to see how you're looking, make sure everything looks good, and click Next. On this screen, you have several different options for how you can lay out your video. You can choose here under layout, you can choose to do speaker only, like this, presentation only, which would not have a webcam, but just a screen share or a slide deck that you upload, or presentation with speaker. And for all three of those options, you can also choose to go frameless, which essentially gets rid of that background and logo and titles. For this one here, I'm going to go ahead and do presentation with speaker, and I'm going to click share screen, and I'm just going to share a browser tab that I have ready to go. And next, I can also edit my titles here. I can change the fonts, colors, bold them, that kind of thing. I can customize my background if I'm not doing frameless, and I can do that with a solid color or a gradient. And we also have very complex options for gradients. We have linear and radial gradients with an unlimited number of stops. You can change the angle of the gradient. You can customize it however you want. Here you can upload your logo and also choose the size of the logo, large, medium, or small. And when you're ready to go, you go ahead and click Next. You'll see some final instructions before starting your recording, and then click Begin Recording. You'll get a 3-second countdown and you will be live. So I am now recording and I can see my screen share. I can see my webcam. I can see what my edited video is going to look like as I'm doing my presentation. This browser tab that I'm sharing, I can scroll through, click around, give a demonstration of any sort that I want. If I had uploaded slides, I could click through those with arrows that would appear on the left and right side of this, or with the arrow keys. So I just go ahead and deliver my presentation while the recording is occurring. And when I'm done, I go ahead and click I'm finished. All right, now that we're done recording, we're taken to this screen where we can review our work. So first things first, if we like it, great. If we don't like it, we can click start over here. And there's two options. We can either delete this take and start over, or we can duplicate it and start over. If we duplicate and start over, then we get to keep this take. All the settings are copied to a new recording, and then we can do a second take so that we can then compare those later and choose which one we like best. Of course, if this take is what we want, then we would then move on to a few different options. One thing that we can do is add subtitles to our video by clicking here. So I would click here, and then I would just be looking at the credits that this is going to use and confirm that, and then just click here to generate my subtitles. And it takes just a minute to convert the audio to subtitles. Okay. So when the subtitles are ready, go ahead and click review, and you'll be able to see those subtitles here. And if for whatever reason something is not 100% correct, you can go in here and edit it. Um, but generally, these are going to be pretty good as they're automatically generated. So as you can see, you can now play back the video and see what the subtitles look like. Now recording, and I can see my screen share. I can see my webcam. I can see, and if I go here and I change the style and click play, what my edited
What the new
video
style
is
looks
going
like.
to look like as I'm doing my presentation. You can also translate your subtitles to any language you want. So in my case, I'm going to put the current language as English and translate these to Spanish. But as you can see, there's a long list of over 100 languages that you can translate your subtitles to. So going ahead here, I'll translate to Spanish. That just takes another minute. Now, if I'm happy with my video, I have a couple options to either share it or export it. Here, if I toggle on sharing, this creates an instantly accessible share link. I can copy the link and send that out or post that to Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter X using these buttons here. And if for whatever reason I want to revoke access to the video, I can also disable sharing. And then anyone who has the link, if they go to that link, it will no longer be accessible. Of course, if I want to export this video from the Spectacle platform, I can do that by clicking this export button here. That will start a process on our server to convert the video to an MP4 file. That takes a little bit longer, and once it's ready, you will receive an email to link you back to this screen so that you can download the file. Thanks for watching this platform overview of Spectacle. We look forward to working with you on your video production needs. Please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team if you have any questions or ideas for how we can work together with Spectacle.